Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience and ability. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Life is a series of experiences, each of which makes us bigger, even though it is hard to realize this. For the world was built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and griefs which we endure help us in our marching onward. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. You say I started out with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is, it's how we use it that makes things possible. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is, a great capacity for hard work. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Money doesn't change men, it merely unmasks them. If a man is naturally selfish or arrogant or greedy, the money brings that out, that's all. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The way to learn to do things is to do things. The way to learn a trade is to work at it. Success teaches how to succeed. Begin with the determination to succeed, and the work is half done already. The biggest goal can be achieved if you simply break it down into enough small parts. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Vision without execution is just hallucination.